Welcome to Luxe Life. I'm Sophia, your guide to the epitome of opulence and sophistication on the shimmering waters of the French Riviera. Embark on a journey where extravagance meets the gentle lull of the Mediterranean waves, and where every moment is a celebration of refined taste and indulgence. Join me as we set sail into a world where luxury knows no bounds, where pristine beaches and exclusive ports of call await to fulfill your every desire. Get ready to immerse yourself in the unparalleled charm and elegance of luxury yacht life along the sun-kissed coastlines of the Côte d'Azur. Nestled along the sun-drenched shores of the Mediterranean Sea, the French Riviera has long been synonymous with luxury and glamour. From the glitzy casinos of Monte Carlo to the charming streets of Saint Tropez, this iconic coastline exudes an irresistible allure that draws jet-setters and celebrities from around the world. But it's not just about the glittering nightlife and star-studded events. The French Riviera is also home to some of the most beautiful yachting destinations on the planet, making it the ultimate playground for those who crave the finer things in life. Indeed, the French Riviera's pristine waters and picturesque anchorages provide the perfect backdrop for indulging in the yachting lifestyle. Whether you're exploring hidden coves and secluded beaches or hopping between glamorous ports, every moment on the water is a testament to luxury and relaxation. With its mild climate and stunning scenery, the French Riviera offers a timeless allure that continues to captivate and enchant all who visit. So, set sail and experience the epitome of luxury yachting on the dazzling waters of the French Riviera. For those seeking the ultimate in privacy and exclusivity, chartering a luxury yacht is the only way to go. Whether you're looking to explore the hidden coves of Corsica, party in the chic ports of Cannes and Antibes, or simply soak up the sun on the deck of your private paradise, the options are endless. With a crew of experienced professionals at your service, you can sit back, relax, and let the beauty of the French Riviera unfold before you in style. From gourmet dining experiences prepared by talented onboard chefs to personalized itinerary planning tailored to your preferences, every aspect of your luxury yacht charter is meticulously curated to ensure an unforgettable experience. With access to exclusive amenities such as onboard spas, water sports equipment, and entertainment systems, your time on the French Riviera is bound to be nothing short of extraordinary. So, immerse yourself in the epitome of luxury and embark on a yacht charter adventure along the breathtaking coastline of the French Riviera. One of the highlights of yachting on the French Riviera is the opportunity to dock in some of the most exclusive ports and harbors in the world. From the legendary Port Hercules in Monaco to the glamorous Port Vauban in Antibes, each destination offers its unique blend of charm and sophistication. Whether you're rubbing elbows with the rich and famous or simply enjoying a stroll along the waterfront promenade, you'll find that life on the French Riviera is nothing short of enchanting. Indulge in world-class dining at waterfront restaurants serving up delectable Mediterranean cuisine, or explore the boutiques and galleries that line the cobblestone streets of these picturesque port towns. With a backdrop of stunning architecture and panoramic views of the Azure Sea, each port along the French Riviera promises a truly magical experience for yacht enthusiasts and travelers alike. So, drop anchor and immerse yourself in the timeless allure of these exclusive harbors, where luxury meets sophistication in the heart of the Mediterranean. No yachting experience on the French Riviera would be complete without a visit to one of the region's legendary beach clubs or waterfront restaurants. From the chic elegance of Nikki Beach in Saint Tropez to the laid-back luxury of Club 55 in Pampelonne, these iconic establishments offer the perfect blend of sun, sea, and savoir-faire. Whether you're sipping champagne by the pool or indulging in fresh seafood with your toes in the sand, you'll discover that life on the French Riviera is a feast for the senses. Dance to the beats of world-renowned DJs at vibrant beach parties, or unwind with a massage at an exclusive beachfront spa. With impeccable service and breathtaking views, these beach clubs provide an unparalleled experience of luxury and relaxation. Whether you're mingling with fellow jet-setters or simply soaking up the vibrant atmosphere, a day spent at a French Riviera beach club is sure to create memories that last a lifetime. For those with a sense of adventure, the French Riviera offers a wealth of water sports and recreational activities to enjoy. Whether you're gliding across the waves on a jet ski, exploring hidden coves by kayak, or diving beneath the surface to discover vibrant marine life, there's no shortage of ways to stay active and entertained on the water. And with the stunning backdrop of the French Riviera as your playground, every moment is sure to be unforgettable. Embark on a thrilling parasailing adventure to get a bird's eye view of the coastline, or try your hand at windsurfing for an adrenaline rush like no other. For those seeking a more leisurely pace, paddleboarding along the tranquil shores offers a serene way to take in the beauty of the Mediterranean. With crystal clear waters and endless sunshine, the French Riviera provides the perfect setting for aquatic adventures that will leave you exhilarated and rejuvenated. Beyond the glitz and glamour of the main ports and harbors, the French Riviera is also home to a treasure trove of hidden gems waiting to be discovered. From the charming fishing villages of Villefranche-sur-Mer and Aise-sur-Mer to the secluded beaches of Cap d'Antibes and Île Sainte-Marguerite, there's always something new and exciting to explore. Explore the picturesque cobblestone streets of medieval villages perched high atop rugged cliffs, or venture into the lush countryside to discover vineyards producing some of the region's finest wines. Take a leisurely hike along scenic coastal trails, pausing to admire breathtaking vistas of the azure sea and verdant landscapes. And when you've worked up an appetite, dine al fresco at charming seaside tavernas, savoring fresh seafood and local specialties while soaking in the ambiance of the Mediterranean lifestyle. As the sun sets over the shimmering waters of the Mediterranean, the French Riviera truly comes alive with an energy and excitement all its own. Whether you're enjoying a romantic sunset cruise with your loved one or dancing the night away at one of the region's legendary nightclubs, there's no shortage of ways to make the most of the evening. Indulge in a gourmet dinner at a Michelin-starred restaurant where world-class chefs create culinary masterpieces using the freshest local ingredients. After dinner, stroll along the promenade, taking in the twinkling lights and vibrant atmosphere of the bustling coastal towns. Then, head to a chic rooftop bar for cocktails with panoramic views of the sparkling coastline, where you can toast to the beauty and glamour of the French Riviera under the starry sky. Beyond its stunning natural beauty and vibrant nightlife, the French Riviera is also home to a rich cultural heritage waiting to be explored. From the iconic museums of Nice and Cannes to the historic sites of Antibes and Menton, there's no shortage of opportunities to immerse yourself in the region's fascinating history and culture. Discover the masterpieces of renowned artists at the Musée Matisse, or delve into the world of contemporary art at the Musée d'Art Moderne et d'Art Contemporain in Nice. Explore the medieval charm of the Château Grimaldi in Antibes, or wander through the ancient ruins of the Roman amphitheater in Fréjus. With each step, you'll uncover a new layer of the French Riviera's captivating story, blending past and present in a tapestry of cultural richness and diversity. After a day of sun, sea, and adventure, there's nothing like indulging in a little relaxation at one of the French Riviera's world-class spas and wellness retreats. From luxurious treatments inspired by ancient rituals to cutting-edge therapies designed to rejuvenate mind, body, and soul, you'll find that the French Riviera is the perfect place to unwind and recharge. So why not treat yourself to a little pampering? Whether you're exploring hidden coves, dining under the stars, or simply soaking up the sun on the deck of your yacht, life on the French Riviera is a journey of discovery and delight. With its irresistible blend of luxury, adventure, and romance, it's no wonder that this iconic coastline has captured the hearts of travelers for generations. So why not set sail and experience the magic of the French Riviera for yourself? After all, the adventure of a lifetime awaits just beyond the horizon. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel inspiration.